My father love to play tennis. Every sport. My mother and father like to play sport. My sister name is bowling, and my brother name is baseball, and me tennis. Everybody nickname is sport. Yes. Because I have many pain for me. My knee PCL. Yes, PCL broken, and my ankle and my hip have problem so much. But now have to retire and make my children in Thailand, because I have the gym in Thailand. Name is Panipak Taekwondo. If you want to learn with me, come to Thailand. Come to learn with me.